Two of the most popular privacy VPNs on the market, ProtonVPN and Surfshark. Both are known for offering strong protection at affordable prices, but they appeal to slightly different users. ProtonVPN focuses on top-tier privacy and transparency, while Surfshark leans toward accessibility and convenience. Each provides encrypted browsing, global server coverage, and protection against trackers, making them reliable options for users who want more control over their online security without paying premium rates. ProtonVPN is built with privacy as its foundation. Based in Switzerland, it benefits from strong data protection laws and operates independently of surveillance alliances. It features secure core routing, open-source applications, and built-in Tor support for those who prioritize anonymity. The service includes a free plan with no data limits, giving users a risk-free way to experience its core features. Its focus is on security depth rather than flashiness, making it ideal for users who value trust, jurisdictional safety, and strict no-log policies above all else. Surfshark, on the other hand, is all about balance and value. It allows unlimited device connections under one plan, which is rare even among top-tier VPNs. The interface is clean and simple, the speeds are consistently fast, and it supports popular streaming platforms without issue. It also includes built-in ad and malware blocking and options like split tunneling for flexibility. For anyone who wants powerful protection that's easy to use across multiple devices, this service is designed to deliver that convenience without breaking the bank. So which VPN offers the best mix of privacy and affordability? If you want maximum security credentials and a provider that's fully dedicated to transparency and legal protection, ProtonVPN will give you peace of mind. But if you're after great speeds, unlimited device coverage, and a budget-friendly subscription that still offers strong encryption, Surfshark is the better deal. Both are excellent, but your ideal choice depends on whether your priority is absolute privacy or the best value for everyday use.